Hey loves, for those of you who don't braid well, this is for you. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is LaToya Ebony. Take a look around, subscribe if you love natural hair care. Now, today's hair tutorial is for those of us who have active lifestyles. You want something, a hairstyle that's not going to deviate too much from the natural texture of your hair. You want something that is sexy, va-va-voom, add a little spice, but also gives you access to your scalp whenever you need it so that you can keep a clean scalp and hair. Oh, and you don't cornrow. This is the tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how I do my clip-in extensions. Without further ado, let's get into it. Start with your hair in 2-strand twists. Your leave out will be in the crown and along your hairline, so make sure you clip those sections out of the way. But really, you can have any pattern of leave out that you'd like. Okay, I fibbed a little. You will have to do braids, but they don't have to be pretty or very neat. I'm going to do 3 large French braids going back by gathering the twists in a long rectangular section and braiding back. This is not a braiding tutorial. As you can see, I am not the one. But I did want to show you the braid pattern that will secure the clip-ins. If you can, do 4 braids instead of 2 for a flatter base. When you're finished, you'll have a version of braided twists as your base. Keep the crown and hairline separate like this because it will be the hair that blends it all together. When you're ready, take the tail of the left braid and bring it across the nape of your neck and pin it down in a U shape. Do the same for the right side. If you have a middle braid, pick a side and pin it down. These are the clip-ins I'll be using that I purchased from Amazon. I will link everything I use down below. The bundle also comes with extra clips and a pair of faux lashes. Very cute. I got the 20-inch human hair extensions in the Afro Kinky texture. The color is an ombre fade from 1B black to 99J burgundy. The tracks come with clips already attached and there are 7 pieces per pack. I bought 2 packs. At this point, roughly measure the width of your head and match it to the track length that matches best. The order in which you lay the tracks down is up to you and how you want your hair to look. So go through, secure the clips where you can, and have fun. This is an example of what your crown might look like once you get there. Create a horseshoe around the leave-out hair, but don't go too close to your natural hairline. Upon looking at the texture of the hair, I realized that my natural hair would blend a lot better if I created smaller twists with my leave out. Mousse is perfect to use if you want a soft hold to your hair and you need your hair to dry quickly.
If your hair doesn't dry fast enough, blow dry it. Gently unravel your twists. If needed, blow dry them again with light heat to ensure the hair is dry and set. When you're ready, separate your twists enough to blend with the clip-in hair extensions. If the hair still isn't blending, keep separating, tucking, and combing the extensions until the hair textures match. And this is what my hair looks like. Here's a quick clip of what it looks like in the sun.
And that is it. That is the look. Va-va-voom, a little color without damaging my hair. I can take these out, put them back in. I can take them out, wash my hair, do the twist all over again, reuse them. I can trim it, cut it to have more volume. You can obviously get different lengths to create a different look. I use 20 inches all the way around, which I think looks really good on me. It's just very full and gives me the length that I want, but this is amazing. I love how it looks. Of course, I think that the color match, because this is a 1B into the burgundy, I'm actually a number 2. So if you can find the exact color match, I think that this will be so nice. And you know, I think over time, as the fake hair gets, you know, dustier, older, less shiny, etc., etc., it's gonna look even more like my hair. But I think that this looks pretty darn good. And my favorite part is that, like, no damage, okay? So this is going to be perfect for working out because I can choose to leave it in. It's very lightweight. I can take it out, go work out, put it back in for the day. Like, it does not matter. I love this. So you should give this a try. I will put everything I use down below as a link, and I will see you in a few days. Yes. I feel fabulous. Bye. Mwah.